we are diving into the advanced document design and layout techniques in Microsoft Word. Whether you are creating a report or browse or an ebook, these tips will help you make your documents look professional and visually appealing. So let's get started. So the first thing is you need to open up a new document in the Microsoft Word, and we will start with some basics and then move on the more advanced features. Okay, so the first step is, let's go to the layout, and we want to file of your we want to start with the page setups. So go to the layout tabs and click on the margins. Okay, so choose the custom margins over here and set up your documents according to your needs. For most professional document, 1 inch margins and on all side is standard. Like here we have the top here and the left, bottom right. We have the all here like the 1 inch margin. Then hit on the OK. Now that we have set up the captions margin, and now let's move into the orientations. It's still in the layout tabs. You can change the orientations to the portrait and also the landscapes. So for the sizes, F4 is like here, or F4 is a comma, but you can choose where others like the letter depending on your requirement by using over here. So these are A4, this is the table borders, and this is the legal sites, and you can see the changes are proper with the different size paper. When I click over the changes in your documents, okay. So and now let's use the styles. So the styles are essential for consistent formatting. Uh, so go to the home tab, check out the styles group. So you can build in styles or create your own by clicking on here. The create styles here, you can easily use it. And from here, a quick to your like use the heading styles for your sections titles. So this is not only make your documents look organized, but also helps in creating and automating tables in contents later. Okay. So here we have now the settings. Now let's move into the advanced layout techniques. So first one is let's talk about the columns for the documents like newsletter or vouchers. Uh, Columns can be very effective. Go to the layout again, click on the column over here, and now you can choose the columns or choose the number of columns you want to customize, or you want to customize them. So here this is the default one. You can use the two, and now you can see it's separated in the two columns. When I click over the here there, now it's separated 1, 2 and 3 columns. So this way you can easily customize over here. And now let's move into the text boxes. Text boxes are great for highlighting important information. And before that, we went to make it 1 columns over here, and also go to the insert text and use the text box over here and choose the text styles. You can easily select from here. For example, let's use a simple text box. Okay, you can drag and resize the text boxes as needed. Like here, if I gonna click over, or I can easily move it to here. Do I want to use it? So for here, if I gonna type here the quick or the quickly brown fox, this one with the fox jumps here and jumps over the lazy duck. Okay, lazy duck. And also you can change the font styles and also the font point by using the home tabs. So like here, if I going to use the 26, change the font power font styles with the Times New Romans. Okay, so you can also link the text boxes so that text flows from the one box to another. So this is particularly useful for complex layout. Okay, so click here the link on where do you want to link it, so you can easily use it. You can use existing file or paste in this document and create new documents, or the email you can easily use this one into the various of the other sources. Okay, so now let's move into the visual enhancement. So go to the insert tips. We want to image or shapes by going to the insert tabs and use the illustrations group for the image and also the shapes for image. Use your pictures and just choose these destinations, or choose the from, like where do you want to take these from. So for example, let's use this one, or just click over here and I can easily use it. For example, here I have now these images over here, and next text options to control how to text follow around your images. Like you can easily use it a square or different one by clicking over here. You can easily use it the same options like types or whatever you desire for your Word documents. Okay, no more professionals look use smart art and charts, so they are great for visualizing information. Find this under the insert tabs and you can find into the illustrations group the smart art. Choose the smart art options, like from the choose a smart graphic with the list of or process cycles. I received relationships there. Metrics are runs to the more also the for. I'm going to use the simple one, this one, or I can just easily use it. Then hit on the OK. Now that we have another smart art into there, if you want to use the charts by clicking over the charts, and you can have the server or different chart styles selecting over here. You can easily insert it. Like for example, now that we have inserted charts and editing the data, you can easily make it the charts according to your data. Okay, and remember, is more so don't clutter your document with too many visuals. So use them to component your text and make key points stand out. Okay, so these are for now. Let's move into the next text. The next one, like headers and footers, and this is also crucial for any professional document. And you can easily insert by going to the insert tab. The header and the footers. Achieve the headers. For example, let's click our headers and choose the pivot built-in design in here. Now it's activate. You can easily use the footers for the page number, dates, and other important informations here. Okay, so click inside in there, and if you found styles for your headings, creating a tables of contents is there. So go to the references tips and click on the table and contents and choose the styles you want. Like you can easily use it with the different styles. Okay, so our well-organized tables of content gives your documents are polished and professional look. It's also make it easy for readers and make navigate through your documents. And there you have it. This advanced design and layout techniques will take your Microsoft Word documents to the next level. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time.